Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Apple Notes. So first, in your Apple device, head over to Notes. Now I have here a sample note and we're just going to click on it. Now from here, just select and highlight the specific text that you would like to add highlight colors into. Next is click on this a character or icon. Then click on this pen icon. This will then add a highlight on that specific highlighted text. And to change the color, click on this circle icon and you have 5 options of colors. You can change it to purple, pink, orange, mint, and blue. And now as you can see, the specific text is now highlighted. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!